Hello guys. Today I will make a gun in BAFT. You will need about 300 of any material. 1 magnet, 1 piston, TNT or spike block, ammo, glue blocks, driver seat, 1 legacy or back wheel, and 1 lever. If you use TNT for ammo, I will make another vid for you. First place 3 block up and put a tire on top. Then add a block on top and make it however long you want, but not too long. Make 3 more of these to form sort of a barrel for the ammo. Add a place in the back for loading the ammo. Add 1 block on the loader for the piston. On the top, remove 2 blocks. Add the piston and place 2 blocks in front of it, but half a block up so it doesn't get stuck. Now add place to store ammo. This part is optional so it doesn't glitch while turning. Add the magnet in the barrel. Make it have no collision. Making it invisible is optional. Okay, now continuing. Add a seat. Skip to 6:30 for next update to gun. Testing. Save before testing. Add a lever. Deconnect the lever from the seat and connect it to the lever. Set wheel torque to max and set wheel speed to anything less than 10. Save before testing. This is just my style and you can build it however you want. This is my first tutorial, so I don't know how to really describe stuff.